got a super fun and useful tool to draw, a wrench. So, get your pencils ready, and let's draw a cool wrench together. A wrench is like a superhero for fixing things. You're going to be amazed at what we can create. Wrenches come in different sizes to fit different nuts and bolts. Some wrenches are adjustable, meaning they can change size to fit almost any bolt. Adjustable wrenches have a little screw you can turn to make the head bigger or smaller. Mechanics use wrenches every day to fix cars and engines. Wrenches can be made of steel or other strong metals. A crescent wrench looks like it has a smiley face when it's open wide. Did you know wrenches can even help build playgrounds? They tighten up the bolts to keep everything safe. Great job! Our wrench looks fantastic. Did you have fun drawing it? Let's make it even more awesome with some bright colors. Take out your markers or crayons and let's get coloring. If you had fun, please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Do you know what we use a wrench for? I have seen one at home. How does our wrench look so far? I like the shape. Do you think this wrench can help fix something in your house? What would you use it on? Have you ever helped fix something with a wrench? What was it? That is cool! How strong do you think a wrench is? It helps fix a big car. Are you having fun drawing this wrench with me? What do you like best about it? Great! You did an amazing job drawing and coloring your wrench. It looks like it's ready to fix anything. Thanks so much for joining me today. See you next time. next time for more fun art adventures.